website. My name is Sagar. I'm a web developer. I have an experience of 3 years in web development, and my core knowledge is PHP. And I'm very good at the front end skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery too. So let me just put that here too, so that for those guys whom I'm not audible may get to know. So I'm Sagar. I'm in Bangalore. So I'm streaming it from Bangalore, and I know you guys where you guys are from, but we'll take that later part, introduction part. And I'm a web developer, 3+ experience. Alright. So my core skill is PHP and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, MySQL, Ajax, and CodeIgniter is a framework. I'm very good at it. So if you guys want to start something in CodeIgniter, also I can help you guys out there. And yeah, that's about my information. You can find more information about me on the website. You can go to the tutors section, www.tutorslive.com/tutor. This is where you find more information about me. There are certain links over there, you can navigate to them. And if you really want to know more about my information, you can also go to our Facebook group. You will find me over there every time posting. So you can also go here and look for my information. Alright, so that's about me, my introduction. So coming to the course introduction, the course name is Build Websites in 45 Days. So I was just explaining you guys what really happens in this 45 days. I just started it. So I'm starting it from the reverse order, where what happens on the 45th day. 45th day, you will be able to build websites. Right? So these are all the ingredients which are really required to build a website. So for front end, you need HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, and for the backend, we use PHP and MySQL. So that's all we'll be using in building a website or web application. Okay, so that's what you really happens on the 45th day. And what happens after 45th day is that you will get a complete support from my side if you face any difficulties in doing your own applications or websites. Okay, so there's that support there. You can always email me to this email address. This is where I really you can find me, or you can directly post it on the Facebook group. So you go there, post a question, I'll answer there. I'll be there again 24/7. I mean, literally not 24/7, but as soon as possible, that means. Okay, or if you want real quick answers, we have a WhatsApp group. Okay, so if you leave your number, I'll add you up over there so that you can ask your questions over there too, again for a very quick answer. Alright, so that's the support I can really give you guys. So here part, so what we will be learning in this course? You guys will be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and that's it. These are called front-end technologies, so we put a break over there. Okay, then you'll be learning basic PHP, okay, and intermediate PHP. So I just divide them as that, but you can call them as PHP itself, because I call it because based upon your skill set I divided it in that way. And then in advanced PHP you'll be learning about MySQL, designing databases, queries, how to fetch information from a database to the application and stuff. And then you'll be having a project, a live project you will be building. I mean, it's not just you, we. So I'll show you how to take up a project, how it should be built. And by the end of that 45 days, I don't say you will be super duper in building websites, but I say you will be having a fair knowledge on building a website. Okay, so again, it's all about practice. The more you practice, the more easier it will be for you. So any roadblocks in practice, I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so there will be a project. So project, we take up a project every time in a course. We take up a project. So the last time it was blog builder, and the other time it was a job portal. So like such, we pick up projects and we do it, and that after that you will be eligible to do some paid projects. So instead of paid projects, I'll call them as live projects, which you can add up to your resume. These will be live actually. When you complete them, they go live. It's for the clients. So Tutors Live is a place where you can also go and do some paid projects for your experience, for the live experience. And in that paid projects, I'm the person who's gonna help you on that too, because that's my responsibility to let you guys do those paid projects. So by here will be ending. So I don't say in paid projects is not included in the course, that's outside the course, but still you will be having my support over there in finishing up those paid projects. So once you are done here, you can still continue your relationship with Tutors Live. It's online, it's live. So even if you want to attend a backup course, or you feel like you really want a firm grip on on a subject, like say we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 modules here. So if you really want to have a firm grip on any of the subject here, you can also attend a live class. I'll give you that flexibility over there. I'll make you a student of that course too, so that you can attend that particular module. So no issues with that. So it's all about how well you learn. That's my vision. My vision is that you have to learn in doing this in a better way. Okay, so these are the subjects we'll be learning in this course for 45 days. So I can't really say how much each module will take, how many days it will take, but it's all about better learning, as I say again. So if you get stuck at a point, let's say it's pretty much hard for you guys to pick up intermediate PHP, we may drag that intermediate PHP for a longer duration. So it's more flexible. When I say 45 days, okay, it may end up to 50 days too. So we keep 5 days as a buffer for a better understanding of the course. Okay, so for the first week we start with HTML. So starting from tomorrow we'll be learning HTML. So if you already know HTML, okay, you can attend this course still as a brush up for your knowledge. Okay, so second week we start with CSS, and then the third week we wrap up JavaScript and jQuery at the same time. Okay, so somewhere in the middle of fourth week we start basic PHP, and we'll wrap up. By the end of the fourth week, you'll be good with front-end technology. You will be able to build static websites by the end of fourth week. So with this knowledge, by the end of fourth week, you are good to go with designing web pages. Okay, it will be static web pages. So I'll differentiate again. We'll discuss everything. What is static, what is dynamic, and all stuff. Okay, so by the end of fourth week you will be good enough to build static web pages, and from here the real fun starts. From intermediate PHP we start building dynamic web pages. So it will be more dynamic, so you won't see static anymore, it's all dynamic. Then from here we'll get to know how to pull data, and here in the project we'll implement whatever we know until this point. So we may mix up advanced PHP and project in the same module. Like I'll be teaching you advanced PHP, and on a parallel side we'll be doing a project. So this will advanced and project will take at least 2 weeks for us. So this is 2 weeks, and let's give this to fifth week. Okay, so in any case it comes to 6 and 7 weeks. Okay, 7 weeks is like 50 days. So that's the reason I said like we may extend up to 50 days. Okay, so then what happens? Okay, 50 days, you have given me your 50 days of time. So what are all the takeaways from here? So paid project is one takeaway from here. Like you will get a real-time experience here. Also, if somebody who is looking for a job, let's say, okay, now you have learned a course, what happens next to me? So if you're looking for a job, we are running a job portal here exclusive for Tutors Live students. Okay, so from here the company HRs will be looking for people from Tutors Live. They interview them. I don't say that this is not a back-end process, we are not taking any money for that. It's a pure front end process, like based upon your skill, your confidence, and your talent. So, a job portal exclusive for Tutos Live students, where HRs from different companies pick students from Tutos Live, where they have a requirement for PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, MySQL, and Ajax. So we also run a job portal here, so that you don't have to go anywhere. So it's a complete package for you guys. We teach a skill, okay? We let you do a project. We also make you earn money, by doing some paid projects, and at the same time we also help you in guiding you towards a job. Okay, so these are all the takeaways from Tutos Live. So on top of it, the course has 10 assignments. These are all small assignments. So at the end of every break point, okay, so I give you assignments which are very solid assignments. You don't find those assignments, and those are not repeated assignments. Every time I give, in every course I give fresh assignments, and you do find fresh assignment in this course too. So you get 10 assignments in this course again, and there will be deadlines on it. There will be, grading on those assignments too. So you get 10 assignments, one paid project, one project, the job portal, and on top of everything, it's the learning you do here. Okay, so that's one thing. And the other thing I would like to introduce to is about the point system which we have recently introduced. So I call it as gamification, where every class you take you get 20 points, every assignment you do you get 20 points, and every paid project you do you get 1000 points. You refer a friend, you get 1000 points. You come from a referral, you get 500 points. So there is a gamification of learning too. So you have nothing short here. So you can compete with your fellow students, saying that hey, I got more points, I got I got this amount of points. So, and every point here is again money in Tutos Live. So every point, so point system I call. So if you really want, if somebody, a student really wants to learn and let's say, all you got to do is like build points. Okay, build points, convert them to money. So this is a very good program for students who would like to learn and earn and contribute and do stuff. Convert them into money. So for a detailed point system, you can find it on our website. Go to points page, tutoslive.com/points. You find all the point system over there. All right. So the next point here, the next thing I want like to discuss here is, my bad. I'm sorry. So yeah, who can take this course and what are the prerequisites? So most of the times when people, people really feel that, if what should I know to take this course? Is there any prerequisite, or is it really tough for me to take up this course and start learning? So those are the questions most of the people come across. But I'll just put that here too. Who can take this course? So this course is absolute for beginners. This course is for beginners. Anybody can take this course. You need not need any programming, what do you call, you don't need any programming background for this. If even if you are from any background, any kind of background, you can take this course. It's that easy, and we don't really need any tools for this course too. Everything is basic, pretty much basic. So from here, from the beginner level, I'll take you to that level where you can actually design and develop websites. So this is for absolute beginners. So who can take this? Freshers. These are the people who benefit the most out of this course. Then students who are in colleges, if they want to add something up to their resume and earn money by doing paid projects, they can also take up this course. And housewives, they can also take this course. Or somebody who don't want to travel, like say if you're in a remote location and if you really want to take up a course like this, you can also take this course. So I call them as remote people who can't really get out of their homes and do a course. So these are the people who can take this course, and there is no prerequisite to this course. Anybody can take this course. It's that easy, and I'll make you feel that this is very easy. Okay, so all you gotta give me is your time. That's it. If you give me your 45 days, then I'll really make you guys, good at building websites. So I don't say I'll make you, experts in it. So even I have to watch my words, but I'll say you will be good at building websites. You'll be better than most of the people who are outside, who are learning it for the first time. Okay, so that's all about Tudos Live.